Good morning, grade 4 students. Mr. Waterman here with today's mathematics lesson on Wednesday, July 14th, 2021. I hope everyone is safe and well. We are going to review what we started last week, which is two-digit quotients. Now, with the notes last week, we only started to write some of the notes. We didn't finish everything. Don't worry, because I have scanned the notes so you can use them as you are completing this week's assignment. Let's have a look at what we read about last week. With two-digit quotients, our objective, it was to divide when the quotient has two digits, meaning two numbers. For our learn about it, our example was, students at Tokyo Korean School collected 865 cans to recycle. They are packing the cans in 21 bags. Each bag holds the same number of cans. How many cans are in each bag? Are any cans left? So we needed to divide. 865 divided by 21. Or 21 divided by 865. For step 1, we needed to estimate to decide where to place the first digit in the quotient. 21, we rounded it to 20. 865, we rounded it to 800. Since it's easier for us to divide 20 into 800, than it is 20 into 900. 20 divided by 800 gives us 40. For step 2, we needed to try the estimate. Divide. 21 divided by 865. We need to multiply. 4 times 21 equals 84. We put the 4 up top, and we subtract 86 minus 84. That gives us 2. When we compare, 2 is less than 21. Okay, so then we go on to step 3. Step 3, we need to bring down the ones and divide. 21 divided by 865 gives us 41, right? So we had to multiply. 1 times 21 equals 21. So we put the 1 up top, subtract 25 minus 21, that gives us 4. That's our remainder. That's what that R means. Then we compare. 4 is less than 21. Now, we go to step 4. Check your answer. Multiply, then add. 21 times 41. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. That's finished. Put your 0 in the 1's place and continue to multiply. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. With the 8 in the hundreds place, now we can add. Bring down the 1's, which is 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. And bring down the hundreds, which is 8. Our answer is 861. Now we need to add the remainder, which is 4. 861 plus 4 gives us 865. The sum equals the dividend, so the quotient is correct. What's our solution? There are 41 cans in each bag. There are 4 cans left. A few things to remember. The R in the answer, that stands for remainder. Look at our question. The divisor is 21, and the dividend is 865. The last part, Our answer is always going to be the quotient, which is why the title of this week's topic, as well as last week's, is two-digit quotients. Now, let's look at a few examples from the homework page. From the homework book, we are looking at page 71 with two-digit quotients as the title. Okay? Let's look at the example. 23 divided by 488. 23 divided by 488. Well, we look at multiplying 23 times 2. That gives us 46. We put the 2 up top and we subtract 46. 48 minus 46 is 2. Bring down the ones. Now we have 28. We know that 23 can only go into 28 one time. 23 times 1 is 23. Put your 1 up top and subtract. 28 minus 23. That gives us 5. Our answer is 21 remainder 5. Now we need to check. 23 times 21. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. Put your 0 in the ones place. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Now let's add them together. 23 plus 460 gives us 483. Don't forget to add the remainder, plus 5. That gives us 488. So, the sum equals the dividend again, and so our quotient is correct. Look at what I did with number 1. Now, it's very important you show your work. 27 divided by 804. Well, we know that 27 goes into 80 2 times. 27 times 2 is 54. I write my 2 up top and subtract. 80 minus 54. That gives me 26. This is too small, so I need to bring down the ones. Now I have 264. 27 times 9 gives me 243. That's close enough. I write my 9 up top. I subtract. 264 minus 243. That gives me 21, which is my remainder. 29, remainder 21. Now I need to check. 29 times 27. 9 times 7 is 63. I write my 3 in the ones place, carry the 6. 7 times 2 is 14, and 6 is 20. I write my 0 in the ones place, and continue to multiply. 2 times 9 is 18, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Now I add 203 plus 58. Bring down my 1s, that's my 3. Bring down my 10s, that's my 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. 783. Now I add the remainder. 783 plus 21 gives me 804. Let's do one more. Just 14 times 379. We know that 14 goes into 7 2 times. I subtract, because 14 times 2 is 28. Okay? And then you subtract. 17 minus 9 is 9. Now this is too small, so I need to bring down the ones. Now I have 99. Well, what do I know happens next? I know that 14 goes into 99 7 times. Let's just multiply. 14 times 7 is 28. Carry the 2. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 2 is 9. 98. It's perfect. Write your 7 up top and subtract. Minus 98, that gives me 1. 27, remainder 1. How do I know? Well, you're going to have to multiply. 27 times 14. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Put a 0 in the ones. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. Bring down my 1s. Bring down my 10s. 2 plus 1 is 3. 378 plus 1 is 379. Our answer checks out. And now, please do numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And show your work the exact way that I've shown my work. Let's look at the word problem. The students at Jones Elementary School collected 2,664 canned goods for the food drive. They packed 36 cans in each box. How many boxes did they use? Please write your answer in a sentence. They used blank boxes. And remember to show your work here. That's it for today's mathematics lesson, students. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to refer to your notes. And if you have any questions, you can email Mr. Waterman or Ms. Harris. Take care, stay safe, be well, and we hope to see you next week. Bye-bye for now.